When writing a lowercase letter in cursive style, always start on the bottom line. To write S, go up, stop, then come back down and snake round, stop, then go back along the letter to add a short tail. Let's see how it looks in a word. She is written like this. Mess is written like this. Capital letters always start at the top. To write capital S, start to the right, go left and snake down and round, stopping at the bottom left. The word she with a capital S is written like this. Capital letters never join with the rest of the word.